A comet that visits Earth every 76 years. This comet was last seen in 1986, and estimately this comet will be now seen in July 2061. Yes, I am talking about Halley's comet. Well, it is not likely to happen that Halley's comet will hit Earth. But what if somebody made it happen? For example, this can be happen if Halley's comet will change its position. It will hit Earth definitely, but if there will be no gravitational force of sun, and that is why Halley's comet doesn't hit Earth. But today we are going to talk what will happen if it will hit Earth. So let's get started. Halley's comet was discovered in 1758. It is stretched over 11 kilometers and the weight is 220 trillion kilograms. It is estimated that now we will see Halley's comet in July 2061, and that time it will be very close to Earth. If Halley's comet hit Earth, the speed will be, for example, 50 kilometers in a second, and that is 122,000 miles per hour. This speed can create a great crater on Earth that would be 55 miles wide, 20 miles deep, which is equal to 10 massive earthquakes, which would be the highest magnitude ever recorded in humanly. Let's talk about the temperature of Halley's comet. When the temperature of Halley's comet was last recorded, it was 77 degrees. But if it will hit Earth, the temperature will be more than 1000 degrees Celsius because of the frictional and gravitational force of Earth, which will make the speed of Halley's comet really too much, and that is why the temperature will start increasing. But it is not only Halley's comet which will hit Earth. After Halley's comet will hit Earth, small particles of Halley's comet or the small asteroid which will be derived after Halley's comet will hit Earth will rise into the atmosphere, and almost after 40 to 45 minutes it will come back within massive speed because of the gravitational force of Earth, which will pull it back, and the destruction will start again. But it does hence here. After the Halley's comet will hit Earth, there would be a massive fireball explosion which would kill people in the radius of 238 kilometers. That means every people within 238 kilometers will die. But just after the few days of this great destruction, there would be very dusty clouds released in the atmosphere, and this will make sunlight barely enter us Earth's surface. Means there would be no sunlight because of the dusty clouds released after this destruction in the atmosphere. And now let me tell you that the temperature will start decreasing. It will start decreasing for more than minus 78 degree Celsius. That is very likely to freeze a human, and the cold would be unsurvivable and kill almost every human. But the people staying in the opposite side of the impact would barely survive, and the people who will definitely survive would be astronauts in outer space, because people on Earth will not survive. Only some amount of people who are in the opposite side of this impact. But now, chill out, because this is not more likely to happen. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's not also very much possible. This is because Halley's comet would easily enter Earth's surface if there would be no gravitational force of sun. It is the gravitational force of sun which makes Halley's comet revolve around it, and it takes more than 76 years to complete its one revolution. And this is why it is kind of impossible for Halley's comet to enter our Earth's atmosphere and hit Earth. So there is no way to get tension on it, but there is a way. That is, if there is an asteroid which will hit Halley's comet and change its position, it is more likely to happen that Halley's comet will hit Earth.